Hello all, this is Abhinav and today we will do the challenge lab of integrate with machine learning APIs. So firstly, we'll log into our Google console. Click on accept. Click on this checkbox and after that agree and continue. Activate your Cloud Shell. So yeah, the first task for this challenge lab is to create a service account and give it the access to the machine learning APIs, BigQuery and Cloud Storage. So firstly, we'll create an environment variable. And using this environment variable, we will create our IAM service account. Let me just edit our environment variable. Click on authorize. So yeah, our IAM service account is now been created. Now what we'll do next is to just add the roles for this IAM service account. The role that will be added is the BigQuery admin and the storage admin. For that, we'll run these commands. Firstly, we'll add the role of BigQuery admin. So this simply adds the role into our service account, the role of BigQuery admin. Now we will add the storage admin role into our service account. So this adds up the role of storage admin. The storage admin role is also added. Now click on check my progress. Let's just create these keys for the service accounts now. Yeah, our first task is completed. Now the second task is to create and download a credential file for your service account. Okay, so simply now we have to create a credential file and download it for the service account we just created. For that, we will run this command. This simply creates an environment variable, store all the details from this file into our environment variable. After that, our second task is also completed. Now click on check my progress. So our third task is to modify the Python script to extract images from image files, extract text from image files. For that, we need to first copy some contents from a location, that is this location. We will copy all the content from this location into our Cloud Cells disk. So yeah, now let's list the contents of our Cloud Shell. So yeah, this is the file that we need to edit in order to meet our third task requirement. So simply click on Open Editor. Click on Open in New Window. Click here Open Terminal. Click on Reconnect. Just clear up the console. Now click on this icon, click on open folder, and just wait for a minute. So yeah, click on open. Click on this file, analyzeimages.py. So there are three locations where we need to change this script file. These are the locations. The first location is this. The second location is this, and the third location is this. Here we need to add our some code lines, and after that we simply need to remove this hash icon. This will this will simply uncomment this line. Now the code we will be adding here is this. So simply copy and paste here. Do the same for this also. And now we need to do some changes here. So all the changes are made. Simply click on Control S to save the file and come back to the terminal to run your script file. Simply this will run your analyzeimages.py script file. So it says processing image files from GCS. This will take a few minutes. So we have successfully completed our task 3, but just let's wait till that it's get completed. It will process all the image files and that is stored into our cloud storage bucket, which is given to us by the Quick Labs team. So simply this is the bucket and these are the image files that we had to process. So we have processed all these files successfully till now. So yeah, it also says writing with an API. So yeah, all the files have been successfully uh, processed, and now simply click on check my progress. So this as a task is also completed. Now what we need to do is just to modify. Yeah, we have also modified the Python script. Click on check my progress. This is also done. So our last task for this challenge lab is to identify most common non-English language used in the science in the data set. So we have also done this, but we need to run one query into our BigQuery. Simply copy this whole command and go to Google Console, go to navigation and search for BigQuery. Click on BigQuery. Just let me log in again. So simply paste, sorry, simply you have to copy this command from here and simply paste this command up here. Now click on run and just wait for a few seconds for the query results to load. And yeah, so all the query results has been successfully loaded. Now simply go into your challenge lab and check the fifth task, check my progress button. It already shows up 100 by 100 here. So yeah, your fifth task is also completed. That's it for this challenge lab. Thank you guys.